Section 3, there are 3 sections here. The first one, for each of the situation below, explain the accounting treatment in accordance with the relevant financial reporting standard, and second, state the journal entries, if any. Okay, assume the financial year as 31st December 2010 for each situation, and the retained profit brought forward as at 1st January 2010 was 45 million. So it means that we consider that year ended December 2010 is our current year. Okay, the first one, Kausa has a self-constructed plant costing 10 million that has been in operation since 2001. Due to proper maintenance of the plant, Kausa has not depreciated the plant. On 1st January 2010, the company decided to depreciate the plant on a straight line basis at 5% per year. So let's look at the summary. Now, the plant has been in existence since 2001, and the company never provide depreciation, which is wrong. All asset, the PPE must be depreciated. Okay, so it is wrong not to depreciate the plant. And in the current year, okay, the company decide to depreciate at 5%, at the 5% using a straight line method. So since it's never been depreciated, it is considered as a previous year error. So what is the effect when you did not depreciate your plant? So the depreciation is understated. Okay, the expenses understated, and when the expenses is understated, that means the SOPL is overstated. Okay, because you did not deduct depreciation, so your net profit is more. So when your depreciation is understated, therefore your accumulated is also understated. Alright, now so you need to do the adjustment in the current year. So the SOPL, when it is overstated, that means your retained earning that you carry forward is also overstated, and accumulated depreciation that you carry forward is also understated. Okay, so the adjustment would be, alright, so the retained earning overstated, that means you need to less the retained earning, and then the accumulated depreciation. Okay, you need to, because it is understated, so you need to add the accumulated depreciation. And then also in the current year, because we also depreciate in the current year, so the current year depreciation, so we need to increase lah, we need to add. Okay, so how to calculate the depreciation? That will be 5% times with the plant 10 million. Okay, so it will be 500,000. Okay, now in the previous year, you have used the plan for 9 years. Since 2001 until 2009, it is 9 years. That means you did not calculate depreciation for 9 years. So let's calculate the depreciation and the accumulated depreciation. That will be 9 years times with 10 million times with 5%. So that will be 4.5 million. Okay, so that is a shortage of 4.5 million. So when you reduce your retained earning and your accumulated depreciation, that will be the retained earning will be 4.5 million. The accumulated depreciation 4.5 million plus the 500,000 for the current year, and the current year depreciation will be 500,000. Okay, right, so let's answer the accounting treatment first. Okay, so kita akan kata this is a previous year error because the company never depreciates its plant, which is the asset kan, since 2001. Okay, so kalau previous year error, the adjustment is made retrospectively by adjusting the opening balance of retained earnings. Okay, by adjusting the opening balance of retained earning. So the question gave you the retained profit brought forward is 45 million. So the retained earning, okay, the restated retained earning was RM, okay, berapa? So return profit dia 45 million. Okay, so kita kena tolak less berapa tadi? 4.5 million. Okay, so dapat berapa? Nanti you kira retaining. Okay, the restated retained earning was 45. Kira kat sini lah. 45 million less 4.5 million. Dah jadi 40.5 million. 40.5 million. Okay, that is a restated lah after you adjust the retained earning. Okay, and then what happened? You also adjust the carrying value of the plant. Okay, adjust the carrying value of the plant by adding the accumulated depreciation at RM 4.5 million. Okay, so jenis entry dia akan jadi debit retained earning. Okay, sebab dia tadi overstated, so we need to less with debit retained earning. And then current year depreciation, this one current year. Okay, we charge in 2010, so dia jadi SOPL depreciation. Let me just emphasize the current year depreciation. Okay, nak letak figure kat sini 4.5 million. Current year depreciation is 500,000. Okay, and then we will credit the accumulated depreciation. Sorry. Accumulated depreciation. Okay, that will be 5 million. That iaitu last year 4.5 plus this year 500, so it become 5 million. Okay, so that's the journal entry.